Okay, we got a 2013 Toyota Sienna. So if you got a 12, 13, 14, 15, and you need to reset the maintenance light, if you got the maintenance required light in the dash and you need to reset, so what you want to do is you want to put the key on accessory first. Okay, so just turn the key, don't start the engine, don't press the brake or anything. So what you want to do is you want to push this button, go to trip A. Okay, if you're in trip B, keep pressing till you're on trip A. Once you're on trip A, so you see we got the maintenance required sign that's been on, that has nothing to do with what we pressed. But as soon as you turn the key, that comes on. Anyways, what I want to do is I'm going to be working with two hands. I'm going to turn this off. I am going to push this and I'm going to hold this down, okay? I'm going to push this and I'm going to hold this button down. And what I want to do is I'm going to put my camera down and I'm going to turn the key, okay? Then I'm going to pick up my camera immediately. And hopefully you guys can see the maintenance mode is going to come on. I'm holding the button down, not letting it go. There you go. It's all done. And you could let it go. Turn off the vehicle and start it up. So it is just a simple oil reset. So make sure you do your oil change. Don't just freaking reset it and kill your engine. Anyway, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. If you guys got any question, I do got videos, a lot of videos on the knock sensor and a whole bunch of other crazy stuff on these vehicles. So do watch them. And if you have any issues, just send me a message. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. We will see you on the next one.